How to manage group settings in Signal. Open the Signal private messenger app on your phone. Got a group chat you want to organize? Let's manage its settings. Tap on the group you want to manage. Make sure you are an admin to access all the settings. Tap the group name at top of this chat. This opens group settings. Here you can add or remove members. Tap add member to include friends, or tap a member and select remove it if needed. Want someone else to help manage the group? Tap the member and select make admin. Admins can manage settings and members. Change the group name, group photo, or group description to keep everyone in the loop. Scroll down to disappearing messages to set a timer for auto deleting messages, or enable restrict admin to control who can change settings. If you no longer want to be in the group, tap leave group if you are the last admin. You can even delete the group completely, and that's it. Managing group settings in Signal is simple and keep your chat organized. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe and share it so your friend can manage their settings too. Happy chatting.